Are you? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Can you come and walk up towards me?
I can hear it. I just don't know what it's...
Oh.
God, that sends a chill down your spine, doesn't it?
Walk towards me.
Yeah, maybe.
Thank you. So just for the camera, the music box is there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That sends a shiver down my spine every time it goes off. That now it does anyway.
Thank you. That's amazing.
Just for the record, that's been set up here about, what, 25 minutes now?
Went off once.
Yeah,
It was
been off
all the way
one.
at the end of that corridor then. And then, when I've been here.
It's that sort of metallic rolling noise. You know, it just feels like a wheelchair's rolling up towards you. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I do think you could have like a rush of energy towards you.
Yeah. Almost to a point where it could almost bowl you out of the way. I feel like it could rush down here that fast. You'd have to be careful where you had your hand because I think it could bowl you out of the way.
Yeah.
That's why I'm stood level with this.
Can you step away from that now, please? It's like it's going on longer and longer and longer. That means something stood over it.
Is it?
Yeah. It's only when you back away from it, then it still plays, but then it stops. Can you move away?
Can you step away from the music box for us, please?
Step away. I'm going to set it in a minute.
It feels good in here now. I like it as it is now anyway.
Okay, I didn't have to reset it. Oh my gosh. You bugger. Like, yeah, I'll make it stop, but I'm going to play it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've reset it.
I've walked up to it.
I reset it, I turned it on and off.
Yeah.
And then let
Oh,
it play.
was that one full?
Yeah. So one last time before we go.
And just step away for you so you can do it again. See if you can do it now and reset it. And build your energy up again.
It likes the music
It
box.
maybe it does, yeah. Maybe it was. Because if there was that far, so I don't know how to explain it, but maybe that was like a sign of some like comfort to him in the solace. You know what I mean? I'm not going to pretend I know anything about that sort of mental health, but maybe they would play with something over and over and over and over.
I think so. They would. Certain personality traits.
Yeah,
Is that stopping and then they're starting it again?
yeah.
Thank you. I want to get my camera out. And Simon's filming on his. Just so I can film it on mine. But I think you're my friend. Oh, well,
Hey,
I didn't guess.
I bet you didn't press record fast enough.
Have you got it?
I've got it, yeah.
Thank you. Can you stop it for me? Thank you.